right, you guys, so this is what Miss Shontay looks like when she's on and styled. I absolutely love this wig. This half wig is definitely bomb, and for a steal at $17, I mean, you really can't go wrong with this unit. This looks so natural. The texture is very natural. The fullness is perfect. It's a natural density that I absolutely love. The way the wig flows is very, very natural looking. So my hair is flat iron, but my hair is 4C all natural hair. So if you are okay with putting a little heat on your hair, then you can definitely rock this one as a half wig. If you don't want to put any heat on your hair, you can definitely braid all of your hair back, wear this hair in front of the hairline, and just you know, put a headband around your head and you'll be fine. And you will definitely have people thinking this is your hair, sis. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out so you can kind of see how she flows. This hair reminds me of my own natural hair so much. This is literally the way I style my own natural hair. When my hair gets this long, I really believe that it will look exactly like this wig. The one thing I do sort of wish is that I had gotten maybe a number 2, because I feel like she is pretty dark in a 1B. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my Shine and Jam. This I got off of Amazon. As you guys know, we are definitely quarantined, so beauty supply stores are closed at the moment, but I will definitely leave a link to where I got this Shine and Jam on Amazon. Now, I absolutely definitely still love my Style Factor edge control, but for some reason this Shine and Jam is really like still in my heart, because the one difference with this is sometimes the Style Factor does get gray and shiny on, excuse me, gray and matte on me, whereas the Shine and Jam, just as the name would suggest, the Shine and Jam still gives me a nice shine, a nice luster to my hair, which I absolutely do love. So I tend to reach for the Shine and Jam when it's my own natural hair that I'm styling, because it just looks shinier and it just gives me the look that I'm going for. All right, so since this is a half wig, you can style it, you know, by flipping it on either side. So you can do a deeper flip if you wanted to, and just have, you know, a very deep flip over. You can sort of do a middle thing, kind of a middle swoop, and have it going in the middle. Very cute that way as well. Let me move over because I feel like my plant is kind of messing me up. I want you guys to be able to see what she is giving. And then obviously you can swoop it on the other side and just have some nice swoop action. The way these layers fall, this wig is just everything. I don't know if anyone else has reviewed this unit. I got mine from elevatestyles.com. I'll leave a link down below to where you can check out Elevate Styles. If she sold out on Elevate Styles, I do believe she's also available on Wig Types and on Amazon. Although on Amazon, you're not going to get the $18 price point, but they do have all the colors available on Amazon. So you're gonna pay more, but you have more color options, whereas this unit is definitely sold out in a lot of places, because at $17 for slaying this hard and looking like full-blown natural black girl blowout realness, like this is giving me all types of press and curl vibes right now. Press and curl vibes. Like, get into this body, sis. Get into this right here, okay? for $17. So definitely look down in the links below. I have everything that you need down there. And if you guys have questions for me, definitely leave them in the comments. I have been so good, if I do say so myself. I have literally been responding to every single person's comment. Okay, so if you got something to ask me, sis, leave it in the comments. And last but not least, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. I know a lot of you that are watching are just coming in, just getting your information and going. But before you go, bless the kid, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Okay, make sure you do that because it really helps a sister out. And make sure you guys share this video, okay? Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.